support name is called as S601 because this is the shoe support. So pipe has been supported by the clamps and clamps has been supported by the shoe. And if you consider about the constraint or variables of these supports, if you look into the pipe size, this supports is applicable only for 6" and 8". That means this support should not place below 6" and above 8". And also if you see type 60 and type 80, they has been used. Type is stands for your clamp, the clamp 60 type of clamp and clamp 80 type of clamp, that is what they're going to call. And if you look into the shoes, so A and B both are the same for the both the types, there is no much variable. C, yeah, obviously the clamp diameter that will be going to be vary according to the pipe sizes. D is going to be variable, that's be 300 for a 6" and 360 for 8". Same way the E dimension is going to be vary, that is E is from center of the pipe to the center of the bolt. The rest of things are same. So if you concentrate upon the this supports, so one constraint is 6" and 8", the size constraint and type constraint and dimension constraint for different like D, E and C, obviously because of the size of the pipe is going to be vary. And also if you look into this table, they have provided one more, that is called maximum sliding. So how much sliding it can be allowable, it's depending upon that it has been given. So if you select type 1, that is item number 1, so then it is allowable that length will be 300. Here they have given the length L, that going to be vary depending upon the item number. If you select model, if you model select item number 1, the L should be 300. If modeler select item number 2, then L should be 400. If model will select item number 3, then L should be 500. So what is the basis for selection of the item number? That is a sliding which will be available from the stress engineer to the modeler. And if you look into the clamp, they have given the rotation required 30-degree rotation default, which they have given as of now, but still it is can be variable. So modeler can be varied of this angle of the clamp. So because that is why they call angle in their tag number. So we have customized the support in SP3D, which is also called as SmartPlant 3D, by considering all these constraints, or we also call as rules, which to be applied for this particular support.